So I had 3 companies come out here to help me with my old fireplace. 2 of them told me, well, just nothing can be done. The part isn't available, you can't get it. You were the 3rd company to come out because I thought something's got to be able to be done here.
Sure.
I can't just be left in the lurch. Kevin came through and he said, well, I think we can get it. Give me some time. I'll look and see if we can get the part. He installed a new part. It worked for a couple of days and then it stopped working. And then Kevin said, you know, Maud, I just don't know that there's anything more that we can do with your unit. But you know how he told me? By sending the money back that I had paid him with a note. I was blown away. I didn't even have to ask, you know, do I get some, you know, recoup of, you know, the money I paid. Just all of it came back. You made a friend for life. Those kinds of ethics are worth a tremendous amount to me. There is just such a goodness and a sense of brotherliness, and he's very efficient and effective professional. He walked me through things I thought I would never understand, which have kept, you know, my pilots running. I mean, this sounds small, but it's just a joy every time you guys.
I appreciate that.